Good evening. My name is Diane Holland, as you know. I am running for the position of Clarkstown Town Clerk. The town's clerk's office has such functions as providing handicap placards, provides marriage licenses, performs civil ceremonies, also provides fishing and dog licenses. This is just to name a few. They are also the keeper of important records. The town clerk's position, I feel, is the face of or the connection between the town officials and its citizens. My husband Tom and I live in West Nyack. I grew up in Bardonia, so I've been here 43 years. We have 4 children. 2 of them are in college. One of them goes to Clarkstown South High School, and the other one goes to Felix Vesta Junior High. With our family resides my mother, who we care for. I am running on the Republican line for Clarkstown Town Clerk. I am also a proud common sense conservative. I'd like to add, I only have the Republican line, so that's something I just want you to know. It is important to understand why I became involved in politics. It's different than why other people became involved in politics. I am a physical therapist, have been one for 21 years. I work full-time presently in the Bronx at Jewish Home and Hospital, which is a very large nursing home. A lot of politics going on there. The first oath of a healthcare worker is to do no harm. I only wish that our public officials and our politicians would also take that same oath. What I discovered unknowingly, and this is from a lack of common sense in our healthcare workers, maybe a lack of time, but we were doing harm to the patients that we were serving. For this reason, I made the decision 15 years ago to become a wound care specialist. I wanted to prevent and treat life-threatening and costly errors. One pressure ulcer can cost $100,000 to heal, not to mention the care after the person develops an amputation. So if you want to know where a lot of fraud and waste goes in Medicaid and Medicare, it goes into the lack of prevention. I've worked with performance improvement at Bellevue Hospital. I've worked at Hospital for Joint Diseases, at diabetic foot clinics. And the same thing holds true, is there is a lot of waste, and I was an outspoken advocate for my patients. I feel that these qualities and my common sense performance improvement skills will make me an excellent town clerk for the residents in Clarkstown. I got involved in politics to reach out to government officials to alert them of the waste that can be prevented with common sense strategies. This is also the same case in our town offices. I'm sure the town clerk's office, I'm sure that every town office and each government office can save money by looking at their fiscal policies, looking what they're spending money on. I am and will keep on trying to fight my battle with wound care and prevention through community education, advocacy, and outreach. I will use my skills as a physical therapist for the past 21 years. First, assessing the inner workings of the town clerk's office and seeing what needs to be done to save money and decrease costs. Then implementing some ideas and then reassessing. It's the same exact thing I do as a physical therapist. It's the same thing I do as a wound care specialist. I go, look at the problem, make changes, go back, reassess if it's working. Again, my name is Diane Holland. I'm asking for your vote on November 8th. I want to help protect the fiscal health of Clarkstown residents. And that is pretty much it. Thank you very much.